Hi everyone, this is Shefali, and I am here with your essential Canadian banking and finance tips. Today, I'm excited to guide you through seamless credit card bill payments with CIBC's mobile and online banking. A quick thanks to Icompare.ca for their awesome resources. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tips. Now let's get started with simplifying those bill payments. First up, let's get you set up. Download the CIBC Mobile Banking or CIBC Online Banking app. It's your gateway to hassle-free bill payments anytime and anywhere. Ready to tackle those credit card bills? Just tap on Bill Payments in the app on your mobile device or on your desktop. It's like having a personal finance assistant right in your pocket. Then select Add Pay. Now you will need to search the name of the bill you want to pay. Now you need to enter the account number of your bill. Complete the verification formalities to verify your identity via email, phone call, or text message. Now your payee has been added to your list. If you're making a one-off payment, select your payee, enter the amount, and pick the account you want to pay from. Double-check everything and hit confirm. Your payment will be made in 1 to 2 business days. But wait, there's more. You could even set up automatic payments for a totally worry-free experience. Choose to pay once, weekly, monthly, or even annually. And just like that, you're all set to stay on top of your credit card bills with CIBC, no matter where you are or what you're doing.